This is where a 200-mile-per-hour supercar begins.
A precise, purpose-built line Hyundai View, ready for parts.
Premium materials, carbon, aluminum, and aerospace-grade alloys.
Next, high-pressure curing locks the fibers in place. The monocoque, the car's rigid backbone, is handcrafted layer by layer. CNC machines sculpt aluminum into ultra-precise subframes. Out of the oven, a cured carbon tub, light yet insanely stiff. Everything aligns to sub-millimeter tolerances. Powertrain, a high-revving heart paired with electrified boost. Transmission assembly coil, smooth, efficient, race grade. Lightweight suspension components engineered for cornering precision. Brakes so strong, they tame 200-mile-per-hour speed. Every wire's routed and tested for faultless control. Panels are molded, trimmed, and polished to perfect fit. A flawless base ensures a mirror paint finish. Base coat, then crystal clear top coat for depth and gloss. Every panel undergoes meticulous quality inspection. Now the tub becomes a car coversolid, piece by piece. Engineered to exact stress tolerances to equal sim to reality. Luxury meets motorsport. Hand-stitched interiors fitted precisely. Doors align with millimeter precision for perfect seals. Specialized glazing for clarity and structural support. Wheels and tires balanced for performance and comfort. Active aero components tuned for downforce at speed. Every curve sculpts airflow for stability and speed. ECU calibrations tuned for power and safety. Fuel systems pressure tested to exact standards.
Exhaust tuned for raw character without compromise.
Cooling systems engineered for sustained high performance.
Digital inspection checks geometry against the design model.
If you love luxury content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Inside Luxury, share it with your friends, and don't forget to ring the bell icon.
Seams sealed and protected for longevity. Premium audio and intuitive controls integrated.
Safety systems verified with rigorous checks.
A protective finish ensures paint depth and durability. Badges applied, a signature touch.
All systems go. Every sensor and actuator verified.
Power verified on the dyno before road testing.
Final prep, protection film, legal checks, and delivery readiness. Hybrid systems deliver instant boost when demanded. First start. A moment where engineering meets sound. Low-speed rollout checks steering, brakes, and driveshaft behavior. High-speed runs confirm stability and aero tuning. Suspension tuned to balance agility and ride comfort. Brakes tested for fade resistance under extreme use. Systems tested across extreme climates for reliability.
Noise, vibration, and harshness tuned to luxury standards.
Bespoke options let owners tailor each detail. A final detail makes the finish showroom perfect.
Hero imagery captures the car's character for the world to see.
Every handover includes curated details, even the cabin scent. Compliance and performance validated before road release. A final certified drive confirms road legal performance.
Water egress and sealing are tested vigorously.
Telemetry calibrated for performance and preventative care.
Tactile quality checks are the last human touch.
Certified paint depth and mirror gloss verified. Wheel geometry tuned for precise steering feel. A final sign-off by the chief engineer closes the build.
From concept to delivery, the journey ends in a moment.
Carbon weave quality is visible at a single glance.
A handcrafted engine bay reveals engineering beauty.
Drive modes alter throttle and exhaust tone character.
Interior ambience adapts to mood and drive mode. High torsional stiffness improves handling and feedback. Thermal management keeps hybrid boost reliable under load.
Adaptive suspension smooths roads while keeping performance.
Brake pedal feedback is engineered for confidence. Shifts happen in milliseconds for seamless acceleration. Lighting systems improve night visibility without glare.
On track, the car exemplifies balanced grip and poise.
Owners choose bespoke touches to make the car uniquely theirs.
Maintenance programs ensure peak performance and longevity.
Every build comes with full documentation and support. Careful logistics ensure safe global delivery.
Then it's off. The Messi, a masterpiece now in motion.
First impressions, exhilaration, and quiet confidence.
Optional packages expand capability and style.
Racing DNA informs every road car we build.
From raw materials to road know, engineering, craft, and speed.